Hi, I'm Crafty Patty. I've been having so much fun making these rope bowls, and as I've been making them, I've been thinking, can I wash them? And it just so happens that I did have another viewer asking me the same question. So chances are you might be thinking the same thing. So I'm going to put one of my raw edged baskets, this one that I've made, and I'm also going to put this one, which is just the cotton rope basket. I'm going to throw them in my front loading washing machine. I'm going to choose the hand wash cycle or a gentle cycle, and then let's see what happens. So here they are, just out of the washing machine, and I mean they scrunched up a bit, but as far as holding together, they look great. There's no problem. And there's a little bit of distortion, but all you need to do is just come back in with your hand and press it down. Reshape it a little bit. And then just let it air dry. And you'll be good to go. That's the cotton rope basket. And here's the raw edge basket. And yes, again, it's scrunched it all up, which is fine. It's certainly nice and clean. And for the raw edges, you're going to get a little bit more raveling, but that's the whole idea of the raw edge baskets, is to have that look. So again, just take it and press down, reshape it while it's wet, reshape your sides, and let it air dry as well. So there you go. If you want to use them for bread baskets or put some little things in them, fruit or whatever it be, you can wash them. And if you don't have a washing machine, you could also put them in your sink with a little bit of Woolite and just give it a soft scrubbing with your hand, and that should work as well. So I hope that little tidbit of information was helpful for you, and if you were thinking the same thing as us, then now you know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.